Okay, so this next subject is more about skips, and in this chapter with the song Elephant Ride, now the skips we're looking at are ones that occur when they are space to space. The last songs had line to line. So that's how we identify them on the staff. Okay, now in the book they say here fourth finger on G. I'm going to suggest that we use third finger on G. Makes life a little bit easier. And over here, our second finger on D is okay, like so. That's great, okay? And here we go, starting with our skips. Skip G, skip B, here's another skip, and F. They're the new skips, right? G, B, D, F. That's the key to Elephant Ride. G, B, D, F, G, B, D, F. And hands are positioned, ready, go. G, B, D, F, E, D, C. G, B, D, F, E. G, B, D, F, E, F, G, F, E, C, D, B, C. And with words, ready, go. When you're on an elephant